y'all, what's up and welcome back. So today I've got a little Dollar Tree haul for you, and it is all about fall. And if you guys know anything about me whatsoever, I would hope that it is the fact that fall is my favorite season. So let's get into it. Alright, so up first is my absolute favorite thing that I found. It is this little wall hanging sign right here. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to put this yet, but whenever I see signs like this, I try to get them because if you go anywhere else, they're going to be super expensive. Granted, they're a little bit smaller than, you know, going to like Michael's or to Hobby Lobby or somewhere like that, but for $1, I don't think that you can beat them. This one says, Harvest, Happy Fall, y'all. Give thanks, Autumn greetings, Falling Leaves, and Pumpkin Patch. And it is extremely detailed. This burlap looks extremely real. The glitter is textured, so, you know, that is actually on there. But it just looks so high quality to me, and I love it. And it comes with its own little hanger, so I thought that was awesome as well. And for $1, you can't beat it. Then I went ahead and picked up some little fall magnets. These have little scarecrows and pumpkins and wagon wheels and leaves all over them. And there's a giant sunflower right here. I think these are absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to put these on my fridge. Oh, fall's coming, y'all. I can feel it in the air. Like where I live, it has been so fall-like for the last month. August has been hotter than July, which, I mean, I guess that's normal, but all of the end of July, it was so nice outside. It never hit above 85 degrees, not once. From like halfway through the month all the way to the end of the month, it's like it never hit above 85 degrees, which is insane for here. It's usually like 95, 96 around that time, so I was pretty happy with it. But now that August is here, I think yesterday it was like 86 degrees, so temperature is climbing back up a little bit, but still not as bad as what it normally is, so I'm okay with that. Then I found this little door hanger right here that says welcome, and it's got a little scarecrow right here. I feel like this is just lightweight enough that you could just use like a command hook and hang this on your door and you would be good to go. It's definitely fall ready. I feel like I want to amp it up just a little bit more, maybe put it on a wreath, but I'm not 100% sure yet. We will see, and you guys will be the first to know if I decide to do that. But yeah, is he not super cute? Then I found this little hanger right here. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. It's got the glitter pumpkin around the edges, and then on the inside it says Happy Fall, and then it's got the little truck. I've seen this truck all over, like Hobby Lobby I think it was. I've been watching a lot of fall hauls already. There's a girl on here. I will put her screen name somewhere on the video or in the description, but I think it's Sparkly Blonde 1 maybe. I'm not really 100% sure, but she did a haul a while back, or a shop with me, and she seen this little truck and it was on sale for $10 at Hobby Lobby. How crazy is that? Then for me, fall means Halloween. That is my absolute favorite holiday of all time. So I definitely went ahead and picked up some little witch feet. I cannot wait to use these on a wreath or something. These are so good. It's like a little door hanger, I believe. I'm not really 100% sure on that. Don't quote me. Let me look. It doesn't say if it's a door hanger or not. It just says Decor on it. But I think this is a really good size, and I had to get the green one because green witch legs are everything. Then the jury is still out on this one. I cannot tell if I feel like $1 is a good price on these. I know that you can get some at Walmart for 97 cents, so that may be where I get the rest of my little pumpkins like this. But this one just spoke to my heart. I like how it's a taller pumpkin and not just your typical round pumpkin. I love the way this looks, and I think it will add some character to my fall decor this year. And again, back into the Halloween stuff, they had these little jack-o'-lantern picks, so I went ahead and picked up a pack of these. There are 5 in there for $1, and they're actually pretty decent size. And I actually picked up a whole bunch of flowers, so we'll get into that next. But the last thing that I picked up were these little metal looking signs, and they say thankful, harvest, and welcome. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do with these yet, but you can hear like their metal little signs, which I think is so high quality and awesome. I'm still not 100% sure what I want to do with them, but I've kind of got an idea floating around, and it may be a DIY that we do together on here, or if you guys don't want to see it, just let me know and I'll just do it myself. Alright, now on to the flowers, because I got quite a few. I don't always recommend getting flowers at Dollar Tree. Sometimes you can get them cheaper other places and they'll have more stems on them, but I really liked the ones that they had, so I picked up quite a few of them. I did end up picking up, I think, just one. Yeah, I just got one of these guys right here. I love the way that these look. So far, I only picked up one of these right here. I don't know why I only picked up one, because I really enjoy these little things. I don't know exactly what they are. It says grass with feathers. Oh, I didn't know those were supposed to be feathers. Goes to show how much attention I pay to stuff. But I just think these are... But I just think that these are so pretty. And then I had to get a little bunch of sunflowers, because to me there's nothing fall like sunflowers. I love sunflowers. They had little mums, and there's actually quite a few on the mums, more than what I thought there would be. I think there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's 5 flowers on the mums, which isn't a super great amount, but it isn't super terrible either, and they are so pretty. Then they had these little daisies right here, which again have 5 on them, and I love the little burlap details on these. I think they're so pretty. Everything is so pretty. My little boy actually picked these out. It's got a little gourd on them and some little berry looking things. It's called a maple bouquet, just in case you're curious and you want to buy them. And then these were my favorite. These are little leaves, and it's got little pumpkins on it. But again, it's called the maple bouquet. And then I just went ahead and picked up a bunch of leaves as well. So that's all the stuff that I got at Dollar Tree, but I wanted to share one more thing with you guys. In our area, there has been these little pallet sales going on, and you can find so much stuff for such a ridiculously cheap price. So at Dollar Tree, you can get the packs of leaves for $1, and they've got 50 leaves in them. But I got these little packs right here at one of those little pallet stores, and I paid $1, and this has got 200 leaves in it, and then I got another one that had 200 leaves as well. So we've got 400 leaves right here for $2, which I think is absolutely stinking amazing considering how much garland is at a store. I've went to Big Lots several times looking for garland because, you know, I love fall. If you guys, let me know something. Do you guys like Gilmore Girls? Because Gilmore Girls is my all-time favorite show. I have seen it hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of times. I've watched it through on Netflix alone, just in my adult life having Netflix. Probably watched it all the way through about 9 or 10 times. That's just letting it play consecutively. I even watch it while I'm going to sleep. Like, that's just my show. That's my jam. Well, that town makes me want fall all the time because it seems like it's always fall on Gilmore Girls. It seems like it's either always fall or it's always winter. And those are just the two seasons that seem to gravitate on that show. And looking at the town makes me want to move and just decorate the entire town with leaves and foliage and all the good stuff. But it doesn't really get fall like that around here. Like, the leaves change and all that good stuff. But let me tell you something. I think this year I'm going to make a ton of garlands with those leaves. And I'm going to put them all around my yard, my porch, my house, everywhere, so that it feels like I'm on the set of Gilmore Girls. I love the way that they portray that town and everything about it. I don't know, is anybody else with me? Like, raise your hand so I don't feel like a completely insane person over here. But I want to move to Stars Hollow. Anybody else? Now that you guys have seen the crazy that is Nikki, if you want to unsubscribe, I totally understand. I totally get it. I hope you stick around. Maybe we can be Stars Hollow neighbors. Just, you know, in our minds. Like, we can pretend we live in Stars Hollow. But, yeah, I just had to share that with you. Because if you guys have not seen any pallet stores, check them out. Be looking for them, because the stuff that you find is absolutely incredible, and it is incredibly priced. I cannot tell you the things that I have found. Just like this bag right here, I got this bag for $1. The ticket price that it was supposed to be sold for was originally $39.99, and then at the pallet store it was on sale for $5. But I went on the day when they restock, or the day before they restock, so I got this bag for $1. And let me tell you, this bag for real is huge. Like, I'm a big person. I'm a pretty big person, and look at this bag. It is so designer quality looking. I haven't even used it yet, but look at this bag, you guys. How crazy awesome is that? So I just wanted to share that little tidbit with you, just in case you guys have not checked out any pallet stores or whatever. To me, it's even better than going to a thrift store. It is insane the things that you will find. Love this bag. Love the store. Check it out. You got to. But that is all that I have today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and are not already subscribed, please go ahead and do that down below. Make sure you click the notification bell, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.